YouTube. It's your boy Fishing Ken. Y'all know what it is. Hook City.
Good morning, YouTube.
We got a good surprise for you today. And while I'm at it, thank you for 3,000 subscribers, man. We got 3,000 subscribers. We have 3,000 citizens of Hook City. Welcome to the city, all you new guys, man. You know I plan on bringing good footage for y'all. And that means that we got to make some necessary steps so that I can get this good footage. And today we are making an awesome step. And all I can say is thank you, Jesus, for what we're about to do. We got a little ride to take. And I want y'all to come along with me, man, because we got some good news for the city. Y'all stay tuned, man. Hook City TV, Fishing Ken, my dad Hook City. It's about to go down. Don't go nowhere. You don't want to miss this. Woo! Trying to get you this got doggone surprise for you guys, man. But we've had more than a few wrecks out here. It's been raining. Got a lot of that going on. Got a lot going on. Harvey Road, exit 554. Looks like we got about 55 minutes, 65 miles. Stay tuned. Tell y'all the truth, man. I'm glad y'all are coming with me. Hadn't had a lot of fishing videos here lately. Hadn't been doing a lot of fishing here lately. But I really believe all that's about to change. Got a few more things I need to do. Got the camera. See y'all are liking the camera. What you think, Dad?
I think it's gonna be all right.
Finally retired.
Yeah.
Got you going to East Texas.
Yeah, I got my mind on some different things. But it'll be all right.
Got a mind on some different things. 3,000 plus subscribers though. What's up with that? Let's go, Hook City. We're growing, man. Come along for the ride. This is it right here, guys. This is what we were looking for. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? H&W Marine. That's what we're looking for. Oh boy. Let's see if they got anything in here they can sell us.
I believe they got something.
I believe they got something we can get.
We'll see.
We'll go in here and see if we can make anything happen, man. See if they want to sell a boat. Yeah, I said it. Hook City. About to see if we can get us a sweet little rig. Let's go. Mike, okay, I did talk to you. Yes, sir. Good to meet you. What's up, man?
Man, how are you?
Pretty good. Guys,
That's your one right over there.
this is my salesman Taylor, man. He's been taking care of me. Hook City TV. How's it going, man? Ken. All right, good to meet you, man. Well, look here.
Nice and cleaned up for you.
Yes, sir.
I'll go ahead. I want to make sure I've got everything correct.
Everything is signed. Yay! Got everything signed, man. All that's left to do is hook up and go. And I'm excited, man. I hope you guys are too. Call me Crestline Ken now, man. Let's go, baby. All right, guys, y'all seen it, man. About to pull around to the back and pick up our brand new boat.
That's what we doing.
That's what we're doing, man. Hope y'all are enjoying the ride, man. Let's pull around back. 2017 Crestliner Fishhawk 1750, baby. 115 Mercury, 4-stroke. 4 strokes.
Yeah, it's 4 strokes.
Hey, man, y'all see what we just did? Really excited, man. Hope my dad is happy.
I am.
Found it on the internet couple of weeks ago, man. H&W Marine out here in Marshall, Texas. Decided to take a look at it. And what really did it was the other day I went to Bass Pro with my dad, and we just looked around on his birthday. And I really wanted to do something special for him. And that's what we did. Hey guys, so this is what just happened. So I just got James. I told him earlier that the guy that I've been working with on this boat put it on Texas Fishing for him, which he did. But I told him that he sold it. I didn't say I didn't get it. I just said he sold it. So I told James, this is what I'm saying. I'm saying, he sold the boat and it's behind me. So I already told James and let him get it, and he congratulated me, man. Thanks a lot, James. I know you were praying for me, man, to try to get something, me and my dad. So next we're about to get Don, but I messed up and didn't record James. But I'm gonna get Don. I'm gonna call Don and get him riled up a little bit. See how long I can get him going. I usually can get him going. Here we go.
What's up, man?
Man, what's going on, brother?
You got it?
Hey, man, I'm gonna need you to, you were sending me some good boats. I'm thinking about going back with old buddy with that lawn. That 2015. You remember that 2015 you showed me?
Yeah.
Hey, what website was that on? Do you remember?
I don't. I think it was Facebook.
Man, it must have got me so mad. I'm ready to go buy a boat cash.
Man, cause you ever heard back from the bank?
Yep, man, that's the cold part. Before I even had heard anything from the bank, the man done sold the boat and it's behind me.
Yeah, but you were talking to him last week, huh?
Yeah, I was talking to him last week.
He sold that from under your nose.
Huh?
He sold that from under your nose.
Man, right up under my nose, bro. Sold this behind me. I say, I was sitting there like, I was trying to figure out, I said, dang, now I know I told the man I was interested in it, let me work out some kinks,
Yeah.
But
you sent your paperwork stuff over to him too, right?
Man, I sent everything, bro. So, they're like, oh, yeah, that's what you asked me. So they called and told me, I was good for the loan.
Yeah.
They told me I was good for the loans, like, you want me to send it over to the H&W? I was like, yeah. So I got in my truck, happy, not thinking, you know what I mean? I done I was over, by the time we got all this figured out, I was at my mom and them house. I told my daddy, I said, hey man, they got the loan for us, let's go on out here.
Yeah.
Man, tell me why I get out there, bro. He told me the boat sold.
He did what now?
He told me the boat sold. I'm on my way back home.
Oh, you got all the way down.
Bro, I got all the way there and he sold the boat.
Oh, my God.
Got all the way there and he sold the boat to me.
Oh, my God. I thought you you a call.
No.
And asked them.
Bro, I'm telling you, I told the people I wanted the boat. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Drive all the way out there, bro. He done sold me the boat.
So what did he say when you got there?
He said, oh man, Mr. Pierce. Cause I get, you know, he didn't know who I was when I got there. I said, hey man, you know, cause the first person I seen was the finance guy, Mike. I get up there and I say, hey man, it's Taylor here. He's like, yeah man, Taylor in here. And next thing I know, he done sold me the boat. Huh?
You said what now?
I said next.
Keep cutting out.
My bad. I said next thing I know, he done sold me the boat.
He done sold you the boat.
Yeah.
Okay, so you got it. I couldn't
Yeah.
Okay, so you got your action.
Next thing you know, he done sold me a boat, man.
Okay. Was it the same one?
Exactly. Yeah, man. The boat. He sold it to me. Yes, the exact boat.
Same boat.
Man, it's hard to make it because the level was cutting in and out.
Yeah. I got you. Just say I got you.
Oh, Lord.
I got the boat, bro.